Hi all, today we are going to discuss what is a niche and how to select your niche. So let's focus on what is a niche first. A niche is a specific domain. For example, to make things easier to understand, let's consider our niche as fitness. A niche always caters to products in that specific domain only. Like if like as we are considering fitness as our niche, so products like you know smart bands, smart watches that calculates calories and all those things, treadmills or any exercising equipment at home can be a product that caters to the fitness domain. Another characteristic of a niche is that it caters to audience who are interested in that domain only. So when we have fitness as our domain or fitness as our niche, so only people who are interested in fitness, they will become our audience. So that's how it works. This is somehow connected to the second characteristic, but every niche have their own set of products. Next we come to how to select your niche. I'll give you a step-by-step procedure to select your niche. And if you go through this procedure, chances are you'll end up finding the very best niche in which you can operate. So first thing that you have to do is open your Excel sheet and prepare a list of things that you are interested in. That may be music, that may be fitness, that may be digital marketing, that may be anything. Second, try and find out products that serve audience in each of your interest. Like if you're choosing digital marketing, then what are the products people who are interested in digital marketing are going to buy or can buy? So if you have chosen fitness, then what are the products which fitness enthusiasts buy? Next, find out how and what kind of content you can develop around these products. So if you ask me about digital marketing, which I do, so I can create demo videos, review videos, training programs. I can do all these kind of things around my niche. If I would have been a fitness expert, I would have gone for creating blogs like how to lose weight in this much time, or what are the exercises which you can do for your abs or shoulders or anything. Now, based on above three factors that we have discussed, reduce your list size. Like if you have selected some 20 odd items in your list, reduce it to 3 or 4, because these parameters will help you a lot on what to remove from your list. Next, we identify affiliate programs that are available that can be used to promote such products. Like if you are choosing digital marketing as your domain, then digital products, most of these digital products are available on platforms like JVZoo, ClickBank, similar kind of platforms. If you are choosing fitness, then most of the related products are available on websites like Amazon, websites like Admitad or any other website, even AliExpress.com and all those things. Now, once you have identified the affiliate programs, go on to their website and understand the commission slabs in each of the product category. So, if you ask me about Amazon, their entire commission slab ranges from 1% to 10 to 12%. If you ask about digital products, the commission ranges from 33% to 50% to even 60% in some cases. So now reduce that list further to one niche or one domain.